1-9. Not as fast as an opening, but what a beautiful A-frame. This seems to be, now they're picking up speed. Good, very nice turn there.
Can they make up time in the poles?
God, look at those poles. Look at those weave poles. Wow. Here we go, through the chute. Here's the fun part. Get down, get that contact. Get out of there, go. Into the tunnel, come on, here we go.
Tex, and Tex will win it.
That was awesome.
.93, the winning time by Tex.
Watch these weave poles, Justin. Look at them go. Just amazing. Fastest weave poles we've seen so far tonight.
Just made up a bunch of time in there.
I would say that was a good half second made up, and then right through the chute. That was so awesome. That was beautiful to watch.